What kind of filmmaker are you? There are several types. There are the filmmakers that want to be recognized by their peers. Then there are the filmmakers who want to make money. Then there are filmmakers who are doing it to change the world.
Change what change?
What type of filmmaker are you? There are different types of filmmakers, probably several different types. But I tend to think that the major categories are only three. You're either doing this because you just have a love for the art and you just want to create whatever. You want accolades from your peers. You want to be recognized as an artistic, creative, visual artist. Then you have the filmmakers who they want to change the world. They want to change the world by telling stories that they think are going to be so impactful and so moving that people will be pushed to action. And then you have filmmakers who are doing it because it pays the bills. They want to actually make money. They want to make the $1 billion movie. They don't care about anything else. Well, scratch that. I won't say they don't care about anything else, but they want to make the $1 billion movies. They want to be at the top of the charts. Now, those are just the three that I've broken it down to, but it can be a combination of those as well. It could be someone who wants to change the world, but they also want to make money. But at some point or another, you have to decide which is your primary goal. Is your primary goal to just show off art and you're just doing it for the love? Is your primary goal to and it may change. You may start off the first 5-10 years of your career just wanting to do it for the accolades, just for the recognition from your peers, just to be noticed. And then later you may decide, hey, I have enough accolades. I want to change. I want to do things that impact the world in a positive way. And then you start going down that path. Some filmmakers may get into the game to make money. And then after they make a bunch of money, they decide, with all this money, with all this influence, maybe I should make some stuff that impacts the world. Or I have enough money now. I want to do stuff that's closer to my heart in the artistic way. So you can choose any one of those that you want, but you need to be honest with yourself. You need to know why you are doing this. You cannot be upset with somebody else who's choosing a different path, having different results, if that's not what you really want. If you find yourself upset with that, then that means that you probably really wanted that. Overall, it's just really important to figure out who it is that you plan to be behind the camera, because that helps make it easier for you to do certain things that happen in front of the camera. What paths you take, what content you create, what methods you use to market and promote, what type of stories you tell, what type of individuals you collaborate with and work with. There's so many different things that are tied to what your motivation is. Even the decision to go independent or go Hollywood, that depends on what your internal motivation is to be as a filmmaker. So this was just a quick video to break that down. Hope this helps. Hope it puts some ideas in your mind to figure it out. And once again, thanks for tuning into my video. Don't forget, you can click the link in the description to schedule a call, set up a coaching session. We can get your movie up and running from zero to hero. And another thing, grab my Filmmaker's Journal on Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, stay creative, think outside the box. There are different types. Those are the three. They want to kill the box office. So they want to make the hits.